Why would you spend thousands on a server rack, an office PC, an all refurbished one? It can do the same job, right? A lot of people spend an arm and a leg on all this fancy server racks and enterprise hardware. But what if I told you a refurbished office PC can do most of what you need at a fraction of a cost? This is my Dell Vostro. It cost me 40 quid. It's got an Intel i5, 8GB of RAM, and a 1TB hard drive. And right now it's running my Home Assistant Smart Home and my Jellyfin server. There's no expensive rack, no expensive hardware, just smart tech on a budget. Home labs don't have to cost thousands, okay?